Now we are introducing our wax deodorant fitting and chiller and labeling line. Okay. Here is a single head filling machine with hot heating, and the filling volume can be adjusted from 1 to 9,000 milliliter. For the mold can be made according to different size of the packages. Here is for changing the direction, because then we will need to put the caps inside. Here is the labeling patch for the double size labeling.你不用那样子拍，你在这边对着这个，你那边背光。从下面。Here is the picking table with the fence on it. Here is the QC for checking. Okay.